Hello and welcome to Dating for Beginners. Today we are back again with a new video on how you can reset the password on the X app. So if you are new here, press the notification bell icon so you don't miss any upcoming videos and subscribe. So now let's get started with the tutorial. Firstly, you need to open the X app. This app is available in Apple Store as well as the Play Store. You just need to click on the app and it will open it. And in the top left corner, there is a person icon. You just have to click on the person icon. And in the bottom part, there is a setting and support option. So you just have to click on the setting and support option, and there is a setting and privacy. And help center, you just have to click on the setting and privacy, and this interface will be shown. After that, in the first, there is your account section. You just have to click on the your account section, and when you are in the your account section, there is the account information, change your password, download and archive of the data, and deactivate account. You just have to click on the second option, that is change your password. After that, on the bottom, there is forget your password. So in order to reset the password, you just have to click on the forget your password. I'll just click on the forgotten your password option, and I will just click on the source button once more. And this is my Gmail account, and I'll just click on the next, and they will send me some information on my Gmail account. I'll just click on the next button once more. Now they have sent me a code. I just have to open the Gmail, copy the code and paste it here, and after verifying it, I can change my password and reset my password. So let's check if they have sent the code or not. I just have to go and open my Gmail account. I'll just copy the code and paste it there. I have copied the code successfully. Now I'll just paste the code here, and I'll click on the verify button, that is in the bottom. Click on the verify button. After that, you can add your new password, and you just need to enter the new password one more time in order to verify that you have entered the correct password both time, so that you don't forget your password in the future. So now let's enter my password, and when I have successfully entered my new password and I have entered the password one more time, I'll just click on the reset password button, that is on the bottom corner. Just click on it, and they have asked me a few questions. Why did you change your password? I'll just click on forgot password and I'll submit it. And as you can see, my password has been successfully changed. So now I can just click on the continue to Twitter and use the Twitter as I want. So this is how you can easily reset your password in your X app. So if this video is helpful to you, give a thumbs up. Thank you.